Hi, my name is McKinnon-Russell, and today I will show you how you can make your own Halloween joke book. Hi, and now I'll tell you what you need to make the joke book for Halloween. You'll need 2 pieces of perforated cardstock, 2 paper clips, and purple, orange, and silver pipe cleaner, a hole puncher, and black, orange, purple, and gray. The first step is to color the whole card. When you're done, your card should look like this and completely covered. Then your next step is to write 1 joke per card. The next step is to take the cover and the pages and put them together and punch holes in them so you can put the book together. The next step is to take a paper clip and put it inside the hole. The next step is to take your pipe cleaner and braid it up and then put it through the paper clips. When you're done twisting your pipe cleaner, it should look like this. Then you're gonna put it in here. Then you're gonna take your pipe cleaner and fold it over and tie it like so. Something like that. And then you have your joke book.